Let's get started. There's a question that's coming through email. Mohan Mukherkar has written in. Now, he says that he had a 1 BHK flat in Pune, which he bought for 3.75 lakh rupees in 96-97. He sold it for 25 lakh rupees in 2016. Now, he kept this money in a capital gains account in a nationalized bank. He says that he's now been told it is taxable at 20%. He wants to know how he can reinvest the money to avoid the tax burden. He also wants to know how much of the amount is taxable. Can he invest in agricultural land in his hometown? Can you sell a home and invest in agricultural land?
Okay, I think the first question he has is that, he has bought the property in 96-97, sold it in 2016 and invested the money in the capital gain scheme. That perhaps the dates are not available, but he must have done it rightly. So, as far as the capital gain arising from that sale, he is already covered because he has invested in the capital gain scheme. Now, what he needs to do is he needs to actually invest the amount which he has deposited in the capital gain scheme in a house property. The moment he does that, then there is no tax. Now, he doesn't have any further option. Say, for example, now he is thinking of buying an agricultural land. In any case, that was not an option even earlier. So, having put the money in the capital gain scheme, he has to spend it on buying a residential property or construct a property for that amount. Now, I know the amount is too small and probably in the today's prices, you may not get an appropriate property, but unfortunately
that can go towards down payment on a residential property.
But if he doesn't want to invest more money, then perhaps he is in a little fix, but that he should have probably thought about before he actually invested the money in the capital gain scheme. So, right now you don't have a choice. If you withdraw it from the capital gain scheme, it will be taxable, and the entire capital gain exemption that you have gone will be withdrawn in the year in which you withdraw the money.
Okay, you said it has to go in a home, essentially in a residential property.
Yes.
Can he also, now he very clearly says agricultural land, but what if he were to buy non-agricultural land with the purpose of building a home? Is that an option?
That is permitted, but as long as then he has to start the construction and he has to actually do the construction activity.
Right. So, Mohan, essentially all the steps that you've taken till now are, you've been doing the right thing essentially as far as your capital gains is concerned. You have put it in a capital gains account within the time period, and you are in fact, because of that, you do not have to pay tax on the gains, at least for this year. But now that you've put it in a capital gains account, you will have to reinvest the proceeds in a residential property. And if you were to buy land, you have to buy non-agricultural land with the express purpose of building a home on it, and you'll have to finish the construction within a 3-year time period.
Yes.
And if you were to buy ready property, then that has to be done within 2 years, from the date when you actually sold this property or made the capital gains in this case, right?
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.